Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. So in this video, I am going to discuss about chain rule in calculus. So it's a most important rule we usually use in artificial neural networks or recurrent neural networks. Many places we use a chain rule of calculus. Even back propagation algorithm, everywhere we use this chain rule. The rule is like this: d by dx of f of gx is equal to f dash of gx into g dash x. This is the equation. This is the concept behind chain rule. See, when one function depends on another function, we will go with chain rule. If you want to understand, see, function of, normally we will get, see, I can tell you, this is like, when it comes to f of x, then it is easy, right? Function of x, then you will differentiate this function. But when it comes to function of another function g of x, then chain rule comes into picture. When we differentiate this function, chain rule comes into picture. See, f of x, the derivative will be f dash x. But this function, it would be, the derivative will be, here the derivative will be f dash of g of x into, then again g dash x. So this is the derivative. This will be the, this is the derivative of this function. For this function, f dash x will be the derivative. I will give you an example, an interesting example for this. Before that, you know the basic rules of calculus. You know, d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. If it is x raised to 5, the derivative should be 5x raised to 4. You know these things. See, now if it is a function, see, f of x is 3x cube plus 3x square plus 2x, then f dash x, its derivative will be 3 into 2x plus 2, that is 6x plus 2. You know it. But consider this function. Difference is, for example, you have a function f of x is equal to sine of, normally you will get sine x, here it is sine of cos x. Then what would be the derivative? Then as our rule, it would be f dash x should be, derivative of sine should be cos, right? Sine x, it is cos x. So it would be cos of cos x. Then the second function cos x, it would be minus sine x. So this is the answer. This is f dash x, cos of cos x into minus sine x. That's the formula we told as well. Derivative of f of gx is equal to f dash of gx into g dash of x. The same formula only we are applying. I will give you another one. F of x is equal to log cos x. Then f dash x should be, first we will address the first function, log of, the derivative of log cos x will be 1 by cos x into, what is the derivative of cos x? Cos x should be minus sin x. See, sin by cos, it is tan. This is minus tan x is the answer. So this is the derivative of log cos x when we apply chain rule. Another one I will give you, it is f of x is equal to log cos sin x. It is repeating 3 times. So it would be f dash x will be, log means log x is 1 by x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. So it should be 1 by cos of sin x into, again we need to adjust cos sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so minus sin, then sin x, then you need to address sin x. Sin x, it would be cos x. So this is the answer, you will get it as. So sin of sin x, you need to understand this is not sin square x. This is the angle of sine. This is not sin square x. So you can write it as minus, I will write it here. See, this one I will write it here. The answer will be is equal to minus sin x divided by cos of sin x into cos x. So this is the answer. So this is the concept behind chain rule. So the formula, it is, I can tell you, it is like what we discussed. It is a d by dx of, when you take d by dx of function of g of x would be, what it would be, f dash of, you will get g of x, f dash of g of x into g dash of x. This is what we were doing for all the functions. Last one, I will give you one more, that is y is equal to e raised to log tan x. So it would be y dash, e raised to x, the derivative is e raised to x, so e raised to x log tan x. Then we will address log, that is 1 by tan x. Then we will address tan x. Tan x, it is 6 square x. So this will be the derivative. So this is the way you will apply the chain rule. So that's all about chain rule. This is a very important rule we use in neural networks, deep learning, backpropagation algorithm. Everywhere we use chain rule. Please learn it. I will be coming up with more videos on machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science, machine learning math, statistics and probability. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.